Hello guys, we will doing animation using ggplot2. So let's start. We will cover these things like first we will create animation. We will try to create animation by scratch using ggplot2. Then we will explore plotly library. Then we will explore gganimate library. Then we finally try to build our demo project. And the demo project look like this. Now first how we can create animation using ggplot2 from scratch. Don't use any kind of library uh, in R. So for that we need to understand what is the meaning of animation. Animation is just a sequence of paper sheet or frame, and some scientists says that in real life we observed like that. So this is hypothesis, this is theoretically, but in reality nobody knows how we feel the motion of object in this universe. This is mystery. But in computer animation, all the things you are seeing in YouTube channel or any kind of videos in computer are just a sequence of paper sheet. If the paper sheet uh, flows in a fast forward, then it look like this. So this is how our senses observe the motion of the object in this universe, not in this universe, in computer basically. Using ggplot2, whenever we create a chart, first what it do, it show in the RStudio plot panel. Then suppose we want to create another plot, another chart, geom bar. Then what it do, it delete the previous plot, then plot the next graph in the plot panel. So this is how the plotting things shown in the RStudio IDE. So something I want to do, I want to change, I want to show the changes in the scatter graph like this. To create graphs, to create any kind of graphics in computer, we need x value and y value. And here we will use that process to do animation. I open the RStudio. Now I activating the ggplot and ggforce package. Ggforce package, it is used to create a circle. I just making points here and I am creating here circle. So now what I want to do, I change the mind. What I want to do, I just, so as you can see in the plot panel, this is a plot panel in the RStudio, and I want to do, as you can see this like a ball. I want to move toward down of ball. Before that, if you ever observed the R console is a REPL. So REPL means read eval print loop. So whenever you run the function in the global environment, so ggplot2 function, it return the list. So that's why, so ggplot function return a list, and it is cached by the print function. It is automatically doing under the background. And what print function do, it print the list, and finally we got this type of graphs. ggplot, so uh, every function and every data structure is a expression. So expression return a value. But like suppose statement like assignment statement and a loop statement, it does not return anything. For loop is a statement and you have to explicit tell the R to print, okay, otherwise it will not print. So that's why I am using here print function. And when I run this, as you can see that ball is coming down, but we didn't see any kind of animation, right? So for that, at the background it print everything, but why we didn't see? Because com- R execute in a computer execute in a very fast, so that we can't able to catch it. So now what I do, I am using here sleep function. What it is basically a pause for a R. So it will pause the R for 2 seconds, and so I am using this function because I want to see the each frame. That's why I am using here sleep function. So now you can see that ball is coming down for, okay. Now let's run again. Now it looks little bit better. It's look like a animation. Likewise, you can do any kind of, not, this is not uh, this is very slaggy animation, but this is this video, the purpose of this videos is to explain the concept of animation, how the animation works. You can adjust some kind of sleep function, and you probably you can do render, you can render like animation, real animation, like plotly and gg animate do. You can use another type of things like a viewer panel of the R Studio feature. For now it is enough. Thank you.